Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. I'm Nick, and I'm a top author and trading view with over 190k reputation points. In this video, I will be taking a pair, breaking it down from a technical and order flow perspective, and in doing so, I will provide as much free education as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the video till the end, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about NZD JPY because at the moment we do have quite interesting price action and structure. Starting here on the monthly, in fact, what we can see is that the market at the moment is testing a very strong area of previous monthly resistance, which is now turned support and demand. In fact, from here, all this move to the downside was created, the market then broke above the zone. At that point, all that previous resistance was turned support at this level. The market tested its zone and has now already started rejecting it to the upside. And in a situation like this, we could expect more potential bullish continuation for the market to really complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Now, if we drop down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now, from a weekly perspective, we can notice how at the moment the market is testing previous weekly resistance, which is now turned support. As we are testing previous resistance turned support, we could expect a potential rejection to the upside, considering that the pattern that the market has been creating here is that of an ascending trend line. In fact, we do have the creation of a series of higher lows, but at the same time, we didn't have higher highs. In fact, we had equal highs. And the market has now broken above this equal highs, is currently retesting previous resistance turn support, and we could expect a potential rejection to the upside. Now, if we drop down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now, from a daily perspective, we can notice how in testing this support, the market is also printing an M pattern. Specifically, we can see that the M pattern is this one here. And in general, after the creation of an M pattern, what you would like to see is for the market to create a rejection to the upside to go and complete the pattern at the previous support turn resistance. So here in the daily, we could expect a rejection to the upside for the market to complete the pattern at this previous support turned resistance. Now, if we go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders, so the COT data, which is what the non-commercials, so the biggest speculators in the market are doing, and we check the data for the NZD, we can see how with the last reports, net positions have once again now started increasing with more longs than shorts getting added. If we go and see what we have on the JPY, we can see how net positions are getting decreased with shorts getting increased and longs getting decreased. What does this mean? It means that overall the JPY is getting weaker and the NZD is getting stronger. And a weak JPY and strong NZD is exactly what we need if the market is to create this rejection to the upside to at least complete the daily M pattern. So it seems like there is definitely the possibility at least for a potential rejection to the upside and for the market to complete the M pattern on the daily time frame at the neckline. So how we could be approaching it. Now, as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily combined with the COT data, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what we could be doing is monitoring price action from an intraday perspective during this move to the downside, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we would have to an intraday bullish market. And if the market would shift from an intraday bearish to bullish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point, we could be looking for a potential rejection to the upside for the market to complete this M pattern at the neckline for the potential completion of the pattern. Now, if you don't know what I'm speaking about when I say valid entries and this kind of things, that is all part of the mentorship program, which you can find at transparentfxtrading.com. Here you have the possibility to gain access to my entire course with all the rules of the strategies. You also have the possibility to gain access to one-on-one private mentoring, the VIP market breakdowns with the Telegram signals, the COT data software, which is the one that we use in this analysis, the trading station software, which puts together everything that you need as a trader all in one interface. And if you scroll lower past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment I'm running a big discount in which you have the possibility to gain access to the mentorship program with a big upfront discount. And since I have partnered with the Forex broker Blueberry Markets, if you open an account with them from the student dashboard, you have the possibility to get a full refund credited back into your trading account. And if you scroll lower, you will see that you have the possibility from here to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the checkout. So definitely looking forward to have you on board. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education analysis for all of you, and I'll see you in my next video.